Hello, this is Brett Kosygin. I drove up here from Florida to come see A-Bar. I'd like to say hello to everybody back in the Basque and wish your team continued success. Thank you for coming to America.
Hola, pues soy Ruth Bastarrica, no soy vasca, pero de corazón lo soy, mi esposo Iñaki. Estamos aquí en Filadelfia, Dora Eibar y Aupa Eibar y de todo Eibar.
So I discovered the club when they were making their way up towards La Liga in 2014, and I just thought that it was such a beautiful story, and we like seeing the small clubs and how they're very responsible with their money, and I thought it was a very beautiful thing. And the more that I learned about the club and the history of the city of Eibar, the more I just I just fell in love. And my son Lucas loves Sergei Enrich, and we go and watch all the games. Our first time to get to see in person, just absolutely fantastic. Yeah. So thank you very much, Eibar, for coming to America.
Share this with A-Bar again. We actually thought the USA A-Bar group was going to be the only ones here, but it's so nice to see everyone here supporting them. And now we're at a tie game, so it's really getting excited.
Thank you so much. I said good.